Hi friends, today we're gonna do the unboxing of this smart Wi-Fi plug. It's from TP-Link and the model is HS100. So it's just a entry-level Wi-Fi plug, and it works with Google Assistant and your Alexa if you have those devices at your home. And it has this cloud system. Basically you have a app and you just pretty much control from anywhere. That's a really good way to do the smart home system. It's not advanced, but it's just a entry level controlling your home smart way. It comes with one app called Casa, so it's available on both Apple and Android, iOS and Android. And so it's very easy to set up. You can just download the Casa app from your mobile. The second step is you just plug the Wi-Fi plug into your power outlet, and then you just plug your lighting, and you're pretty much all set. You just have to configure your Wi-Fi with your Casa app. And you can see here it's a smart Wi-Fi LED bulb, smart Wi-Fi camera, smart Wi-Fi plug, smart Wi-Fi light switch. So these are some of the devices from TP-Link, and some of the features mentioned here: flexible control, remote access, scheduling, away mode. So that's kind of cool for making your house energy efficient. So let's see what's inside the box. I'm just gonna use my knife to open the box. So you can see here it's got 2-year warranty, 24/7 tech support. You got that number too, and you can email them, and you can check the warranty on this link. So oops. So you can see here this simple packaging. I have your a setup guide, quick start guide. You can see the same setup. That's what I explained to you before. And the smart plug only supports the 2.4 gigahertz network, so you just have to make sure that part, and just follow the instruction and you're all set. You can see here it's got this some small guidance here, troubleshooting if you have some issues. If you are having some issues with controlling the device, or some basic stuff, if you can control the connected device, what should you do, or what should I do when the Wi-Fi LED is lit red, how do I pair the smart plugs with Amazon Echo. So yep, this is pretty handy. You can just keep it somewhere handy so that whenever you need it, you can use it. So coming to the smart plug, really metallic design, shiny stuff, a little bit of rough on the side. It's a little bit grippy too, and I think that's kind of like a power indicator. And I don't know, I have this button here, not sure what this is for. I think it's press and hold this for 5 seconds, or until the Wi-Fi LED blinks amber and green too when you see the app. So I'm just gonna pull my plug. So I have this plug here. I'm just gonna plug that, and so now you can see that's the indicator. I'm just gonna press it for 5 seconds. Okay, now it's blinking. Okay, if you press it for 10 seconds, it's gonna reset. If you press it for 5 seconds, it's initiate the app onboard processing. So you just pretty much all set. And You can see the green smart plug LED is on, and yep, and you can see here, I think this model doesn't come with the USB port, but the model HS110 comes with the USB port, and this doesn't come with that. So I think you got this a review, some kind of feedback stuff that you can fill it out. So I'm just gonna download this Casa app for my iPhone, and it's loading up. It's downloading. So once it's downloaded, I'm just gonna sign up for the account, create my account, and once it's set up, I'm just gonna go through the configuration through my Wi-Fi, and I'm pretty much all set.